but the input from the team is this is not running continuously. If this pump trips, we have got standby pump, and we have got pump trip alarm, and you have LAH and LAH, LSH. So this is what we have taken the input from the PNID. Now going for the pump discharge, we have check valve and we have manual valve. So check valve potential blockage we are considering because this is not a clean service. If the check valve is blocked, so there is two scenario. One is high level in this tank, 1001A, and potential high pressure at pump discharge. But in this case, we are saying the standby pump is there, and the pump will trip on overload, and LAH 1001A and LSH is there.
But you have to link this operation of the pump with the tank 1501 level.
Otherwise, it will keep coming. So who can explain whether this is linked with?
No. This is these two pumps are pumping to tank number 1501.
Correct.
If there is a tank level is high, then this pump should not start.
Yeah. No. When will go there? When will go there?
And it is interlocked.
When will go there in the
already interlocked.
Yeah.
So that you need to put a point there.
Yeah. No. Try to understand. Now we are going in the tank number here, sludge holding tank, right?
Yeah.
So I will come there in the next page. Then we'll.
What operation of the pump is also related to this term.
Okay. What is the PNID number?
PNID number
is 17. I have to go.
16.
Yeah. 17 in my binder. So you are saying if the level is go high,
is pumping here. If level is high, then that pump should not start.
Okay.
Or trip.
So guys, this interlock is here. LAH and LHH.
Take the right number.
Yeah. So on this high level, are you going to stop the pump?
Yes.
Okay. So potential high level LAHH 1501. So then we have to add here. Correct. No, this is still no flow. In more flow we'll take. This is still low flow.
Okay.
So we'll more flow in consider. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So still we were right. Yeah. So we were talking about this one. If this pump trips, there is no flow, and this check valve can potential get blocked because of dirty services. We have taken it, and this manual valve is normally open, but still.